Welcome to my in-depth review of eVisit, one of the most innovative telehealth platforms on the market today. Whether you're a healthcare provider looking to optimize your practice or a patient seeking convenient access to medical care, eVisit promises a seamless virtual healthcare experience. Let's dive into what makes this platform stand out. Starting with the user interface, eVisit boasts a clean and intuitive design. The homepage immediately provides access to core functionalities, such as scheduling, video consultations, and patient management. Providers can effortlessly create and manage appointments, while patients can quickly book and check their upcoming visits. The system supports multiple device types, making it accessible from desktops, tablets, and smartphones. One of the standout features of eVisit is its video consultation functionality. The video quality is excellent, ensuring clear communication between patients and providers. The platform also includes a secure messaging system for follow-ups, which enhances the continuity of care. Additionally, eVisit supports document sharing, so lab results, prescriptions, and other files can be securely exchanged during consultations. For healthcare providers, eVisit integrates with several popular electronic health record systems, streamlining patient data management. The integration eliminates the need for manual data entry, saving time and reducing errors. The platform's analytics tools offer valuable insights into patient outcomes and operational efficiency, helping providers make data-driven decisions. Patients will appreciate how easy it is to use eVisit. The registration process is straightforward, and the platform ensures all personal and medical data is securely stored. eVisit complies with HIPAA regulations, so both providers and patients can trust its commitment to privacy and security. Another key aspect is the platform's scheduling system. eVisit allows for flexible appointment types, including on-demand visits and scheduled follow-ups. It even has a built-in reminder system to reduce no-shows. The billing process is seamless as well, with support for various payment methods and clear, detailed invoices. In terms of pricing, eVisit offers scalable plans to accommodate practices of all sizes. Whether you're a solo practitioner or part of a large healthcare organization, there's a package tailored to your needs. While it may be pricier than some competitors, the robust features and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment. Overall, eVisit provides a comprehensive telehealth solution for both patients and providers. It combines user-friendly design, advanced features, and strong security protocols to deliver a reliable virtual care experience. If you're considering a telemedicine platform, eVisit should definitely be on your radar. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching.